Alright, hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. I already moisturized my face with the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. And then I also, actually that's the only thing I prep my skin with. And I'll probably spray some of this Fix Plus in there. I'm really excited to try this out. It's by Sonia Kashuk. Love this one. And out there, that took forever. Let's try this, just to kind of set it. This is the Anastasia Beverly, for real. Brow is dark brown. So this is my ride or die. Like, I've tried other ones, but the price point on this and how much product, and that it's super easy with but yeah, this is like my Frida brows, you know. That's what I like. I like them to be fluffy. When I was in high school, I liked them to not be fluffy. Just kind of set it more like honey brown is what I want to call it. And this is Uninterrupted by MAC. Fluffy brush and just mix it everywhere. But this is what I like. This is what works for me. I just love browns. Like, they're easy to work with. This is the Charlotte Tilbury the retoucher in Too Fair. Really love this. Oops. For real. Okay, well, gonna have to be right back. Alright, so I baked while all that commotion was going on. I'm gonna use my Hourglass Luminous Bronze Light. Love this thing. Oh, it's a bronzer, so I mean, you don't really have to be precise with it. I'm not contouring or anything with anything else. And then just use it right here. Mix this off. And then just wipe it off. This is a Marc Jacobs eyeliner, and it's in the color Cocoa. I have little fine lines under my darkness, even though I use concealer, whatever. I just feel like it just puts it, like, it's like the cherry on top for your eyes, at least for mine. Gotta find what works for you, but this is definitely a must-have if you kind of want to bring your eyes to pop. Staying power and hide little lines down there, little darkness down there. This is really good. I'm so excited that I got this. This is by Elcie Cosmetics. She had someone on their stories like put this mascara on in the car, and I was sold. I reached out to that girl actually because I was like, you know, I was like, wow, right? Because she had eyelashes like me, and then she just puts it in the car and it was like bam. But I don't know, like, I wanted to say like, hey, got it, thanks, but I totally lost her info. But anyways, and this was, I think, 25 bucks, 30 bucks, and I did have to pay for shipping, but that's okay. But another thing is that I really liked it the first time I used it, and the beauty person behind this, you know, she's a mom, and her story is just so, it's all about hard work and, you know, the light at the end of the tunnel, and she just really inspires me. And she's a mom, she has like a newborn, not a newborn, she has like a 1-year-old or a 2-year-old now, but you know, she already had like a really good company where she would like do hair and makeup and had like a whole glam thing. She would teach classes, and then she came out with a makeup brand with foundation and primer and like a whole bunch of stuff, bronzer, eyeshadow palette. And then she had her baby and everything, and then now she's like, I'm not done, like, I'm gonna do YouTube video, like, I'm gonna conquer YouTube. So that's like so inspiring, you know, that no matter what, you just keep going, just keep going to the top, to the top, to the top, with kid, without a kid, whatever your goals are. So yeah, so if you see this video, you're such an inspiration, and I love this mascara. So yeah, let me show you guys actually before I go. What am I talking about? Like, am I talking about makeup, or what am I talking about? Okay, so, well, let's do a little, look at this. This is the Amrezy Anastasia nail highlighter. I've only used it once too. Okay, so okay, look at my eyelashes. You guys see? Can you guys see? Hope you guys can see. So my mom always tells me, like, you have super long lashes. I don't know, but they don't stay curl. And right now, I don't know where my eyelash curler has gone, okay? I actually just ordered a new one that I used to have before. But anyways, so I'm just using this, unfortunately, but I'm sure you guys will still be able to see the effect of this, okay? And if you can't put fake lashes on, forget it. You know, I mean, you could keep trying and practicing. I don't want to, like, you know, but I've tried a couple times, and I mean, I think I tried the wrong times. I always try, like, right before I'm going to a party, you know, and like I'm like, I need to do this instead of practicing. But my eyes are also sensitive, so that's why this is better. So I'll stop yapping about it, but literally I'm so like into this brand and the product and stuff. So let's do this. So again, you guys can see my lashes, and then I should probably spray my face first. How about that? I probably should have already sprayed. Now I'm gonna have to wait. So I sprayed my face with Fix Plus. Forgot to do that to set everything on. Let my eyelashes dry real quick. And now I'm gonna... Oh my gosh. Just give me a second. I am going to put the Elcie Cosmetics mascara. So good. And I've only used it once, you guys, but like seriously, I'm always trying to find like a good mascara. So you see my eyelashes, okay? And now you'll see my eyelashes, okay? Hope I can do this on camera. I like it because it's like a really like fluffy, like thick brush. I might make some like funny faces and stuff because this is hard. But I'm just gonna do like one eyelash, and I'm gonna do like 2 coats. This is just 1 coat, just trying to get it all like, you know what I mean, all up in there. Okay, that's 1 coat, you guys. Okay, do you guys see the difference of my eyelashes though? Do you guys see it? Like, I don't want to close my eyes and then smear it everywhere, but you guys can see the difference, right? Right. Okay, that's 1 coat. My lips are hella crusty. It's just powder. All right, that's 1 quote. Not quote, 1 coat. Okay. Número 2. Okay. And I don't know like the rules of this. I don't know if you're supposed to let it dry before 2nd coat. I didn't. Maybe I'll try the other one when it's a little bit more dry. Not sure, but I just know you gotta kind of go from the root all to the top. This corner is hard for me. I really wish I had my eyelash curler, because then it'd really be like bam. But it still is bam without it. Look at that. 2 coats. Like, do you guys see how much it opens up this eye? I'm talking too much. I need to finish. Corner is so hard. That's that. Like, oh, like I love it. It's so good. It's so good. Okay? Let's do the other one. And I'm not like a perfectionist, like a professional makeup artist. So maybe putting this on completely wrong, because I know like I have super hard time with my lashes, but I'm so happy with this mascara. So that's with 2 quotes of the Elcie Cosmetics. You guys, like, I really wish I could find one of my eyelash curlers, okay? Seriously, I have 2 and I cannot find one. Usually I keep one in the car, one in the house, and can't find it. But can you guys see that? Like, look at that. It's probably not a nice angle. So shall we go to highlighter though? So I'm gonna be using my Real Techniques. I don't know what brush this is, but you seriously need like 5 of these because they work for everything. And I just use my Fix Plus. This is the coconut one to go up in here. So I used it last time without making it wet, and I didn't really like it not wet. So let's try it wet this time. This is the new Anastasia. You see the name? Okay, let's see what this is. I'm really excited to try it wet. So look at it. It's so beautiful. The mirror is so good. They're highlight, no highlight. Highlight, no highlight. Let's spray this again. Bomb. I love doing this. Like I said, I'm not a makeup artist, okay? I'm a little crazy here. Damn, though. Hey. Hey. You know what I was thinking about right now? You know, I see like medium tan skin, stuff like that. Like a little bit of Latina models looking, but you know, they need someone like this kind of Latina look. You know what I mean? For the makeup brands. You know? Like a mom, Latina, you know? Not super model status, but the Laura Mercier Extreme Velour Extreme Matte Lipstick in Fatale. Super cute though. So I waved but didn't say bye. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you like the colors. And hope you guys had a good time with me. So yeah, so I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.